so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing for you a raspberry pear smoothie. Okay, so as is customary, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay guys, and remember to follow me at Ann Booth and all social. Okay, so let's dive right into the menu. So I have here some 2 pears cut up, and I have a ripe banana in the mix. I have some frozen raspberry that I will be using. I have a yogurt, some almond breeze milk, which is reduced sugar. I will be using some chia seed and maybe some ice cube. Okay, so let's load up this blender with the ingredients. Add the chia seed. Add the yogurt. I'm using this yogurt, it's raspberry also. Add the milk. So guys, I might need some more milk. Okay. Get my cover. Cover and then there you have it guys, all done. I'm gonna glass them now. That's them now. So pretty. Got the color. Color is so pretty. There you have it guys. Look at the beautiful colors. Look at the beautiful colors. Let me taste this. So tasty, so good, so delicious. No sweet now. And it is very sweet. It is very sweet. No sweet, none. It is very sweet. Just add. So yes guys, go ahead and try this smoothie. You will love it. It's raspberry pear smoothie. Very delicious, very tasty. Very yummy. Go ahead and try it, you will love it. Okay, so remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Okay guys, thank you so much. Until my next video, bye.